Assalamu alaikum. We will make this profile card, so let's get started. So we will create the class container using div, and inside this div we will create another div with the class name content. So using the image tag we will add the avatar. So for now this avatar is Jessica. You can put your own avatar, and the all data is we have been provided by front end mentor challenge, so you can get it. So now let me add the data in it. So we will create a p tag in which we will add the front end await reader. So let's see the preview. So it looks like this, and now we will create a div with social links. So it is giving me a suggestion because I have installed the tabline, so I removed it. And now we will you can put your own profile links uh, instead of these hashes. So let me put the data, and you can get these all assets. So let me put the data, and you can get all these assets from the frontend mentor website, where you will see a lot of projects, and we will try to create more projects from the front end website. And I hope you will enjoy it, creating these projects with along us. So let me make it somewhat prettier, and now it look like good. Let's see the preview our website, and we will create a style file first. So for now our web page is looking like this. So let's do a magic by styling, and I have already added the uh, journal margin, and I am like margin 0 and padding 0, box sizing 0 to universal selector. And now I have added the width, height and background color to this container. So I think the class is wrong, so now it is good. Our background color changed, and let's do styling for content. So we will do this with 300 pixel. Height will be 600 pixel. So for now it is not showing. So let's make the display flex, align item centers, and justify content also center. And we will add padding from the top 120 pixel. And let's for testing we will do the background color red, and the padding we change to 50 pixel. For image we will do small styling, like we will change its width and height, and border radius will be 50%, so it is in a circular shape. And margin I think, and text align will be center in our content page. So now we will be adding the padding 20 pixel, and 10 pixel from left and right. So let's see dot content. We will on the heading we will give the font size 20 pixel, and as our we have the preview, so we can simply copy it. And for h3 we will use the font size 16 pixel. So for now it just look like this, and I think 12 pixel will be good. And for the heading I think it is it looks like good. So let's move on for the paragraph. So we will give the margin bottom from 20 pixel. Okay, so let's do styling for these social links. So for this I will do the display flex, align items center, and also the flex direction will be column, and it look like this. So we will increase the width to 100%, and we will do margin top 30 pixel, and I think it is good for now. We will see it. And for the links, we have added in the our social links div. So we will give it background color, and the color will be white, and font weight will be 500. So text decoration will be none. We change the width to 200% pixel, and now it look like this. So padding will be 15 pixel and 10 pixel. So it for now it is 7 pixel, look like good. So let's change the width, height of content to 550 pixel, and now it look like good. So now let's change the color, which was red. So now it looks like very good. And border radius for the social links will be 5 pixel, and somehow it looks like great. So we will use the font size, which is enter, font family which is enter, and we simply copy the import code and paste it on above of the our CSS file. So now we can add simple copy and paste this font family to our content. And also for it is not good practice, but yes, we did not edit it to our h1 tag. So let's adjust the font sizes and margin bottom. So now it looks like this. So let's do some padding, some styling for paragraph. We will change the font size to we will change its font size to 14 pixel, and yes, we increase the height to 570 pixel of, and we will give the color to white, and for the h3 it will be green somewhat HSL, and for paragraph it will be white. So we change its size to 12 pixel, and I think now it's looks like good. So let's add some font size on the our link text. So 15 pixel is I think good. So cursor will be pointer, and let's add a hover effect that its color will change on hovering on the element. So for now I will choose it green, that when we hover on our element, so it will be green. So as it is, you can see it is changing very quickly. So let's add some transitions. So we will add transition on all is in out. So now we will change the color to black. So it looks like very good. So thanks for watching the tutorial, and follow us for more. And yes, thank you. Allah Hafiz.